Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salad Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Parade! Nicket line! Chal! Dane! Move! आमच्या पुढारपणाखाला परेड पुढे चाललेली असा.
Grant of fire risk allowances to the government, and we would be highly obliged if the Honorable Secretary look into the matter of long-pending grant of fire risk allowances to our fire personnel, for which they are eagerly waiting. In keeping with our motto, we serve to save, we continuously strive to upgrade skills of our firemen and the quality of our equipment, and we look forward to continued support and guidance from our administrative superiors.
The department is doing the best efforts to procure the best equipment. Now we know that things are different. High-rise buildings are coming, different types of disasters are happening. So that's why the department, please try to procure the best equipment, best infrastructure for the benefit of the people. And I'm sure that they're already doing, and the government of Goa is fully support the efforts of the department in this.